I am literally so excited for this. If you're new here today, then hello and welcome to the Lovett family. Welcome to another haul.
Tampons to deodorant to food items.
To just the general kitchens, like supplies.
I love a bargain. I love this. It came to my door.
So this one's gonna be good.
So thank you CHERRYZ for the collaboration today. I got £30 worth here.
She's so lovely, she's so lovely, she's so lovely.
Hi guys and welcome back to another video by Lizzy Lovett. I'm so excited for you guys to see what I've got for you in this video. Oh my god. You are going to be so excited. So hold on. Hold right there. Hold right there. Because today I have for you a CHERRYZ haul. So if you haven't heard of CHERRYZ, they are an online company. They've got their own online app and you can go on there and order your essential goodies like accessories, whatever it is, food items, things like you would buy from Home Bargains / B&M / Aldi, you can get from CHERRYZ. Like, get on their online app right now because you can get some discount for your first order. Because right here, I'm going to put my own individual discount code they've kindly given me on their app only. So put in Lizzy Lovett 20, you'll get 20% off any of their items when you do your first order on their app. So get on there now, have a look, see if you like anything, and I'm sure you'll find your essential goodies, accessories, kitchen appliances, whatever it is, summer things, beach things, whatever that you fancy on their online app. I'm so excited. So it's really hot today. I've got the windows open. It's gonna be a bit of a noise because I just can't help it. I'm sweating here. I'm real sweating. But anyway, CHERRYZ got in contact with me on Instagram and kindly enough wanted to do a collab video and wanted me to share with you guys some of their items. I am so excited. I've wanted to open this for days. It came quite a few days ago. Well, not quite a few days ago, but a few days ago, and I wanted to do like the big unpackaging on the camera with you guys and experience the whole, you know, the whole thing with you and let you know my review, my opinion of this firsthand, you know what I mean? So let's get crack-a-lacking, let's have a look, let's open it up. I'm so excited. I've ordered some very bizarre random things, just a bit of everything, so you guys get the idea of what type of things that they sell on their online app and you can order yourself. So download their app now, CHERRYZ, have a little look, browse, see if there's anything you like because there are plenty of things on there for you and you get 20% off. What better way of spending your money when you get a good offer? I'm a student, I need discounts, I need, you know, the bargains, and CHERRYZ, they got it all for you. I'm just saying, you know, they got the whole shebang. So let's get this box open and let's show you what they've got. First of all, can we just look at this gorgeous packaging? Like, look at it. You don't get no packaging like this anywhere from Amazon or from Home Bargains and stuff. Not dissing them, but you know what? I love a good packaging. Look at that. It's personalised everything. How goddamn cute is that? Let's get it open right freaking now, shall we? But before we go any further, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. It is wonderful when you do that, and I love you guys to join the family. Why not join the Lovett channel family and watch more videos of me if you enjoy them, that is. If you don't, I wouldn't suggest subscribing because you'll be so fed up of me, but I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and let's get on with this video right now. Right, let's get this box open. I've got these really crappy scissors on here. I'm but anyway, I'm trying to do this as nicely as possible, but let's get this box open. Open sesame. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So I've just opened the box and straight away they've got some beautiful tissue paper. Like, guys, this is a really cute touch. Like, you don't get this from going into a shop. I know you don't get like customer facing sort of service with this, but like, you get the cute packaging. Like, I love that. Like, it's got CHERRYZ on it for their brand. CHERRYZ! They've got a lot of things to make sure it's nice and kept. I like that. I like this. Oh, I'm just so excited for this. Look, guys. So yeah, they've got plenty of packaging to keep it all Really, really secure and padded, so we got no damage. I like that. First of all, let's go for the first things that I see, really. A strainer. I know, very random, very bizarre. Oh, it's actually quite good quality, to be fair. I'm pretty surprised by that. I'm happy. I love the colour. It's like a pastel pink. Honestly, the prices are like £1, £2 kind of prices. Like no more than like, I think some things were like kids' toys you can get on there like 16 quid, 15 quid. But like, I think the most I paid for something in here was like £6 for, I'll show you that in a minute actually. Great price, strainer. I think it was like £1. £1. Can you go wrong with that? No. Next little kitchen item. So I've always seen these and I've always wanted one. And it's a food bowl. So it's like a soup bowl / food bowl. But yeah, it's got one of those little air holes. You can like let your hot air out when you got your food. Because sometimes the pressure won't allow you to open the lid when you've got things like that. But how cute is that? I think it was only like £1 again. So that, I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm telling you, this is the most random things I've ever bought. So we've got, oh, there we go. We've got the, I've never heard of these. So the Mocha Gold Premium Iced Coffee Drink, caramel. It's got to be a caramel. I'm not talking vanilla, none of that. I like a bit of caramel or hazelnut. So I wanted to try these. They are, it says add milk, add ice. Per portion, 58 calories. Some calorie counting. So again, iced coffee things. I think that's really cool to try. I just wanted something. I'm obsessed with coffee. So how many sachets we got in here? Oh, very nice, very nice. And you get 8 sachets. Again, I think that was only like £1 or something. I could be wrong. I'll put the prices down below as you will see in the corner somewhere in this video. But yeah, iced coffee. So I'm taking ages to do this. Let's go faster. Let's just speed this thing up.
Okay, Oreos, double cream Oreos. Again, like I said, it's all essentials, all food items, all like accessory type stuff, and I love it. These are my favourite type things because
we got some Sweeties. I love strawberry laces. Me and my mum are like obsessed with strawberry laces, so I kind of got these for her, but I'm going to definitely pinch 1 or 2. Again, £1. You cannot go wrong with cherry laces. We've got 2 mug shots in here. Well, they're still snack shots. I know they call them different things, like depending where you are. I've got the 2 sweet and sour snack shots. I did get these for my mum because she's obsessed with them. She takes them to work every day without a doubt and has them every day because I like, what? 220, less than 220 calories, less than 1% fat. Can't go wrong with that. I think they're only like 50p each. There's just nothing quite like these either. Like again, sweets. I love wine gums. Just, they're my like favourite sweets in this
entire earth, world, whatever.
So again, £1 Maynard's wine gums. Okay, we got a dog toy. I did get that. Oh my goodness, that is a loud dog toy. Squeaky donut. Yeah, I bought that for my boyfriend's dog because he's got a really cute dog and he wanted a dog toy. So there's a bit of a story behind the donut reason why it's a donut ring dog toy. But yeah, £1 dog toy. That's impressive. It's really good quality actually. I'm impressed so far, guys, and I'm not just saying that because this like video is kind of like done in collaboration with CHERRYZ. I'm giving my honest opinion here, guys, so please take that into account. Okay, and we got here just a really like random water gun. I just thought, why not? I got 2 nephews and they'll love this. Obviously it's only 1 because I wanted to make sure I got a bit of everything. I can't buy 2 of everything, you know? But they can have a go at this. I'll get them another one probably with the CHERRYZ app, so they can both have a little go with those. But again, I think it was like £2. £1, I don't know. I'll put the price here.
I'm impressed.
We've also got, I just had to get one. I couldn't not. A giant unicorn swim ring. Like, for summertime or holidays, if we're ever allowed to go on holiday, you've got to have a big rubber ring. Like, I got the unicorn one. I want to open it up. I think it was £6. Let's have a look. So it's going to look like this apparently. It's the unicorn.
A rubber ring, rubber ring.
Oh, it's a decent size. I thought it'd be smaller to be fair, because it was only £6. But, oh look at it. I had to go for the unicorn one out of the pink flamingo and the unicorn because I got 2 nieces and they'll love this. Oh, look at it. What do unicorn noises make? I have no idea. But yeah, I am so impressed so far. Really happy. Unicorn rubber ring. Got a few things. Okay, really random. Do you remember these as kids, guys? They like those squishy things. They like got flour inside them. I always loved them as kids, but when you burst them, that was the worst because like the flour would go everywhere. It was only £1, but they're really satisfying. Look at that. Look at it. Oh my god, that is so satisfying. It is flour in them. It's like a balloon filled with flour and you just like squish them as much as you like. Look at that. Look at this. Yeah. So just like squish it. I don't know, I just really liked it. It's the simplest thing, but it's so satisfying. I'm going to sit here for hours doing this.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later.
Oh my god.
A few inches later. Day 2.
That is the most satisfying thing ever.
Day 3. Day 4. A few moments later.
Oh my god, that is so satisfying. Anyway, but yeah, you just keep like squishing it and it's really squishy and malleable and just fun. Look at it. That was only like £1 as well. Anyway, next one. Obviously, I love washing my face with exfoliating gloves or my body. I know you just be really careful, gentle with your skin, but these essential, just like those ones you kind of get in like home bargains type thing. So again, impressive, £1. I got some beard oil for men. Here we go. I'm obviously not going to put some beard oil on. I don't think I've got a beard. Hopefully not. But I can, you know, figure out who I'm going to give that to. My boyfriend's got a beard. But I just thought, why not? I think it was only a couple of quid. I popped the price down. But yeah, grooming, jolly good, beard oil, cedarwood. Is it cedarwood? Ciderwood? Cedarwood, yeah. So again, a couple of quid. Beard oil, again, essential if you've got a beard. I love my bath stuff. So I've got Meadow Fresh Bath Powder Bomb from, I think it's like a powder. You pop it in the water. I just love the packaging again from that. And I just thought, why not? But yeah, I think that was like only a couple of quid, like 2 quid or something. Maybe 3 quid, I can't remember. But I love my bath scented stuff and I just thought that sounded really nice. Love the packaging, good quality. I'm excited to use that, guys. Thanks, CHERRYZ. So we've got, they also did, I couldn't believe it, Body Shop. Just a few Body Shop things and they had the shower gel, British Rose Body Shop shower jelly thing, whatever it is. Don't know if you can see that. There we go. And that was £1. I love Body Shop, so I'm going to be definitely using that. I've got 2 more things to show you. This one's cute. So I've always wanted to try one of these. So you put your candle under here, in this bit here, and you pop your little Yankee Candle little thingy-majiggy on top. It melts it, and then you get a nice scented smell in your house. Like, what? Like, what? And this is so cute. These were like £1 each, and this was like £1.50 or something. But again, I've got a apricot rose little scented one, and I've also got a lavender, yeah, a lavender scented one. So there we go. Give those a try. Pop your candle under there, let it melt. Smells beautiful. I cannot wait. And look how cute that colour is. Love that. It's like a pinky, rosy colour.
Rose pink, rose gold, whatever it's called. Rose goldy, pinky colour. There we go.
How cute is that? £1. And then you got these little things. Little different scented majiggies. I did order, last and not least, I ordered this, like, it was like a bottle, an empty bottle, and you had little lights inside it, but it only came with the lights. I think I must have missed something where it said just the little lights. So you get your own bottle and you pop in your LED little white light type things. So I'm going to pop that in a bottle and try that. You know what you see? I'll put a picture next to here somewhere what I mean by this. And it was only like £1 or something, ridiculously cheap. So I'm really impressed with that, guys. That's the last thing. Again, more packaging. I like that. It keeps everything really like well kept and not damaged at all. Really love that. Obviously, I was so impressed with their stuff because also here, look at this packaging on it. They've got like there all the stuff you can like look up, and if you need any help, you're not happy with something, they got like a little scan code thing for the app. I just, as a whole, I'm really impressed with everything. There we go. The box is incredible. So let me pop that down there. Let me bring you closer. As a whole, guys, I'm so impressed with CHERRYZ. Thank you, CHERRYZ, for collaborating with me today for this video. I really appreciated all these little items and loved them. And I'm not just saying it, I'm really impressed with what I've purchased and what I've got. Love the packaging. I think my favourite part is the box itself, the packaging. You could use it for like arts and crafts or whatever you wanted to. But, guys, look at that, how cute. The box, what even? Just saying. Really enjoyed doing this haul and I love the items I got. Highly recommend. So download the app, guys, right now and get online right now because you can order your stuff and it can come to your home and you don't have to go outside. If you're still a bit wary of COVID and everything as well, it's great because you can go online, get all those items, essential items, and it comes to your house within like 3 to 4 working days, I would say. I think mine came within 4 days, so not too bad to be honest, unless you're like really urgent for something. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed this, really impressed, and don't forget to use that discount code when you're on the app to get 20% off with Lizzy Lovett 20. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I love the items. I can't wait to use some of them, and I feel like they're going to come in really handy. I can't wait to eat all those snacks as well. Like, I just want to keep squishing this thing as well. I just can't stop thinking about it. So good. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I appreciate everyone for watching this video, watching me and like listening to me ramble. It's great. Like, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I will hopefully see you in another video. Thanks again, CHERRYZ, and I hope you enjoyed watching my haul. Thank you and goodbye.
Oh yeah.
See you later. Bye, guys. Sweating, exhausted.